Yo. Welcome back to my channel. So this video is very simple and I'm going to make it quick for you guys. But before anything, please consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment below on things that you want me to do to my Buick or my dad's Buick, well, my ex-Buick, because now the Buick is my dad's. But let's see what you guys want to do to those cars. Now, this video is for the person that asked to make a video on how to order parts for their Buick. All you got to do is go to ZZP Performance, well, zzperformance.com, and then click on this one, the 3800. Once you click on that picture, ZZP made it very easy. Let me lower the light over here to see if I look better. So you can order a kit for if you have a Buick or a 3800 not supercharged. You can order a computer, power logs. This is what I wanted right here. Some coilovers. Drop the car. Lose that nasty gap. This is the stage one. This is another question that someone had. Is there do they pick for you as far as stage one or stage two? No, you pick. But for example, stage one, it is $179, $180, but this is only what you get. You just get the K&N filter, allows more air. You got the computer, the PCM. You got a smaller pulley. So this is basically the stage one kit. Now for Buick guys, it is recommended for you to start doing a full exhaust of 3-inch. Let that air out. You're gonna get a lot of horsepower. Now when you keep scrolling down, you're gonna get to the stage two. Now one thing, this is a question I had, some of you guys might have it. You see the color of this box is ugly. I don't like it. However, they don't send you that. What they send you is this one, the black one right here. So don't worry, when you order the stage two, you're going to get this color, which is obviously the one that looks good. Now, when you come here, it literally tells you exactly what it includes. Cold air intake, the PCM, the belt, the downpipe, the thermostat. An extension is only for the Grand Prix. For me, I had a Buick 3800. It didn't come with it because it did not need it. So it tells you everything. Please read everything right here. There's even some reviews at the end. And the way to order is very, very simple. Once you're here, click Rico GS if that's your car that you're ordering for. Mine was a 2000, so we're going to click 2000 Rico GS. It's going to ask you for a VIN. So I just made one up. Put your VIN number, make sure you put the actual one. And the next thing is if you want to send your core or you're going to get core charge. Me, I decided to get core charge because I wanted to keep my parts just in case. So if you want to, then you're going to pay $612 if you send your core first and $662 if you do not send. So you choose what you want to do. Then you click add to cart. Once you click add to cart, just go and click checkout. Well, $662. I already had ordered it, so it's in my cart. But anyways, seems like a very simple Shopify account they got going on here. So if you look, just put your email, pick up, ship. Most likely you're gonna ship it depending on where you live. And your information here, you will get an email from them. I believe I got an email and they asked me what state I was in. I told them I was in California. This is for the restriction and octane. You guys, the cool states, but have snow and you guys rust. You guys got better gas than we do in California. So for me, I couldn't go as low as I could on the pulley. But for you over there, you guys can go slower pulley. Just click continue shipping and that's it. Basically, you're good to go. Now let's see if Honey gives us any discounts. No Honey on this one. Search now. Let's see. Oh, continue. No buyer's remorse here. Continue to check out. Nothing. But anyways, there it is. That's the video. The next video I want to make is with my brother's car, my dad's car. I'll owe you guys a video on the walkthrough of my dad's car because he's the one that realistically got us into this Buick situations. I'm personally looking for a clean GTP in the future to do the same mods, supercharged, basically the same thing that I was planning to do on the Buick. Go ahead and do it on the GTP. So that's it for today. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comment below. Give it a thumbs up if you made it to here. You're the real one. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video.